Si mama isa siya ka selfless person. Kay sa amon mas ginauna niya gid ng iban nga tao bago ang iya self, lalo na sa pagbantay sa kay lola. Wala na ang iya dra nga mga gusto basta nang unahon niya gid ang iban nga tao kaysa sa iya.
I love my mom because she's loving me.
Siguro, out of many reasons, one is our mothers are our source of life. So without them, wala ta diri sa kalibutan. Most definitely, because they gave us life, they gave us love, support, respect, and everything. So basically, it all boils down, if one reason lang ito, because our mothers gave us our lives.
Because she is my mother. She is the one who gave birth to me just to see this wonderful world of us. And then, because she is a supporting mother as well.
Ang isa gid nga nagapangibabaw gid kay ang iyahang love sa moa. It's like si mama siya ang gugma sa amo ang family. Siya ang reason nga palangga ko ang mga manghud ko, palangga ko si papa, kaglabaw na gid si mama. So si mama gid ang reason nga love ko ang kadamuan sa mga tao sa palibot ko kay di pa feel niya sa kuan.
Mom, thank you for understanding and still loving me even though I've done many sins to you, and God, you're still caring for me.
May she continually grow more in love with Christ. My mom is already of age na. So I think as of now, I really hope that she will get fulfillment na lang in her life after raising me and my siblings for so long. I hope that she finds time to rest, especially pod na wala naman siya dako nga responsibilities for her children. So my only hope and prayer for my mom is that she may continually be fond of the Lord.
Thank you for always supporting me and loving me unconditionally, even though there are times na ma-disappoint ko siya, but then she is there for me. And I always praying to God that God will give her a long life para makita niya ang akong nga success sa kinabuhi.
Hi ma, happy Mother's Day. Gapasalamat gid ko sa tanan mo nga sacrifices nga gihimo para sa amon, kag sa pagpalangga sa amon, wala mo gid kami gipabayan, kag most especially gid ang pag guide sa amon nga journey sa church. I love you mama.
Una sa tanan ma, Happy Mother's Day. Kanang damo nga mga words ang gusto ko ihambal sa imuha, pero pilion ko lang kaning words nga deserve nimo madawat sa subong nga Mother's Day. So you are the best mama for me sa ko ang mga manghod, kag you are also the best mom sa tanan nga mga tao, because you have this good attitude para i-raise kami nga mga bata mo. And I am so thankful to be one of your children. And I love you, Mama.
Even her son Cain have done a bad thing, killing his own brother, Eve still forgives him, and he forgives.
Jochebed, because she has the trait na may ara ang tanan nga mother, and that is to protect their children even though mapalayo ang bata sa iya, but for the safety of their child, of her child, gilet go niya kay amo nga nakapalanggan niya.
Ruth. Kay si Ruth, as we all know, nang nagsunod gid siya kay Naomi, kag nang iya gid gibaton si Jesus Christ sa iyang mga kinabuhi.
Si Hannah, it's because si Hannah kadamuan sa ato kabalo nga si Hannah, grabe gid iyahang pag-ampo sa Ginoo nga tagaan siya sang isa ka anak. Pero dugay gid gihagi sabat sang Ginoo ang iyahang nga pag-ampo. And sa sina nga situation, murag naka-learn ko sang lesson nga no matter how kanang kadugayon na gud sa ato ang mga ginaampo, pero sabton gid siya sang Ginoo. It's because God answers all our prayers in His own perfect ways.
Hannah, which is the mother of Samuel. Because Hannah offered Samuel to the Lord even as a child. And that is something siguro that all mothers should also do, to offer their children to the Lord. I am very blessed and very thankful po that my mother, even my family, are Seventh-day Adventist Christians. I do not really know manggod karon if it were not for them, asa pod ka ko karon, and if my mother did not bring me to church, I do not also know where am I right now. So part of I can consider my successes in life, it's because I was brought up in the church. So the church has a very fundamental role in raising me to be a good person, which is the same thing that Hannah did for Samuel. So during those times, we do not know the uncertainties in the time of Israelites, and we know that Hannah longed for Samuel, but he did not own Samuel. She did not own Samuel, even though gusto gid niya to nga bata, but he offered Samuel to the Lord.